Hi friends, here is the complete user guide for the meeting QR code. In this video, you will learn how to create a QR code for your meeting. Before we start, subscribe to QR Code Chimp and press the bell icon for our best offers and promotions. Let's get started. You can create a meeting URL for any meeting platform, like Skype, Google Meet, Zoom, etc. For this video, let's create a meeting QR code for Skype. Go to skype.com. Click on Host a Meeting. Enter your meeting name. And click on Create a Free Video Call button. Copy the meeting invitation link. Go to qrcodechimp.com. Go to the Solutions tab. And click on the Meeting Solution card. Let's create the meeting QR code now. Paste the copied link in the meeting URL field. Make sure to check the box to make QR code dynamic. Now, let's decorate your QR code. Choose a QR code shape as per your preferences. You may select predefined QR designs. Now, let's apply the sticker with call to action to get more scans. Add colors to make it attractive. You can change QR body shape. You may choose the existing logo or upload your own. Adjust the logo and logo background using scales. You may apply 3D effect as well. Let's close this design section to continue saving. Now save your QR code by providing it a name and you are all done. If you want, you can save the QR code in a folder by selecting or creating a new folder. And then click on Save. See the newly made QR code on your dashboard. That's all for this tutorial. We also have dedicated videos for creating Google Meet and Zoom meeting QR codes. You'll find their links in the description box. Subscribe for more such helpful videos. Thank you for watching this video. Explore more QR code solutions by visiting qrcodechimp.com.